This day is not exactly a walk in the park for these two men. Tom Herter and Christian Miller are on a mission for the Mobile Bay National Estuary Program. Their goal? To enhance the vegetative buffer zone along Dog River in Mobile's Dog River Park, formerly Navco Park.
Now, why am I planting that one? Because it's got a heck of a root ball, and it'll surprise us.
With surplus plants from the Mobile County Schools Grasses in Classes program, marsh vegetation is being planted at the margins of installed breakwaters that have suffered erosion. They're using duck potato, pickerel weed, and cattails to establish habitat and stabilize sediment and wave erosion. So why don't we just leave Mother Nature alone?
Because we're the ones that are screwing it up. Nate, if boats weren't flying by here at ignoring these signs, you know, then we could leave nature alone.
Vegetative buffer zones offer many benefits. They reduce runoff by increasing stormwater infiltration into the soil. Less runoff means fewer nutrients and other pollutants get into the water. Too many nutrients cause algae blooms, which can cause other forms of life to suffocate. The planting also stabilizes soils with plant root systems, and they reduce shoreline erosion caused by wave action from boats and natural waves.
It's human impacts that have compromised the park, and this park here, the trash is from stormwater carrying stuff off Mobile City streets and even county roads and such.
The plants have other benefits as well. Aquatic vegetation helps purify the water and improve fish and wildlife habitat because it provides food, shelter, and shade. Claire Wilson of the group Dog River Clearwater Revival takes the cleanup and maintenance of this park seriously. And she says it's come a long way.
It was unsafe, and it's become much safer. It was maybe not as aesthetically pleasing as it is now, which is important for parks.
The City of Mobile is responsible for the operations and maintenance of Dog River Park, so why do the other organizations share the burden?
The city is under many constraints with regards to budgeting. They try their best. They have a lot of different parks. We're not the only one. We wish they perhaps would make Dog River Park more of a priority because they are the only city park on the river. But we work with them the best we can. We really like Dan Otto, the superintendent of the Parks Department. So, they do the best they can.
But she says more needs to be done. For those willing to volunteer to help keep Dog River Park beautiful, there are opportunities.
Oh gosh, there's so many ways. The most helpful would be, to come to our meetings and to become informed about what's going on. And then if you would see something that you'd like to volunteer for, we have many different projects. We have the storm drain marker project. We have the litter trap project. This park needs lots of help all the time. We're always asking volunteers. We have cleanups. We have silt abatement projects that are going on right now. So there's lots of different things. Our website kind of goes over it if anyone's ever interested.
The Mobile Bay National Estuary Program also partnered with the Association of National Estuary Programs, the Alabama Port Authority, NOAA, and the City of Mobile to help restore the park and install 3 interpretive signs. One tells you where you are in the estuary, another tells you some facts and information about the wildlife and aquatic creatures, and the other, what kind of work has been done or is underway to stabilize the shoreline.
There's already green coming up from some of these things. Look at that. As bad as that looks, yeah. See that? And that? These things are going to be fine.
We really appreciate everything NEP does.
The mission of the MBNEP is to promote wise stewardship of the water quality and living resource base of the Mobile Bay estuarine system.